this is how I've been helping me and my husband whenever we have stuffed sinuses from the dry air. Hot steam. I like to boil water and then put a towel in there and get the towel all soaked with the water. I'll cover my head with a towel so that I trap as much moisture as I can in that towel and breathe it all in through my nose. Our face gets red in like a few seconds or a minute or so because of the heat. So it's really great for your skin too, the added moisture. And then I also like to wring out the towel, wring it out really well with tongs, and then see the level of heat, how much I could tolerate, and then actually drape it on my face so I can get all that added moisture into my sinuses, on my skin. It helps alleviate any pressure on my eyes. We've been doing this at least 5 or 6 years, and it really helps during the dry air season of the winter. And my husband travels, so he gets a lot of dry air in his nose, and it really helps us out.